This is a simple workflow for Flux 2 Klein GGUF models, designed to be compatible with low VRAM systems. The workflow has two sections, one for single image generation and another for multi-image editing. You can enable or disable each section using the bypass node. For the required model downloads, I've added all the links in the notes section. The model I'm using here is Q8. Unless a model is specifically marked as base, it is a distilled version. For distilled models, use 4 steps. For latent or image size control, if you want to match the input image resolution during editing, simply connect the getImageSize node to the width and height inputs. If you want to use a custom resolution instead, just disconnect that node and enter the resolution manually. Now let's try a prompt. Close-up of her sitting on a park bench. I'm using this intricate dress to test how accurate the model really is. Let's observe the pattern on the dress. The details are very accurate, and we can clearly say this is the same character. Now let's try multi-image editing. I use the same intricate dress with a lot of detailed patterns for both characters. The prompt is, the woman and the man run away from the dinosaur chasing them. The result is impressive. The model accurately preserves the clothing patterns, and the consistency holds up even during a dynamic action scene. Now let's test another example. I load 2 images and use the prompt, 2 women sitting on a sofa in a cozy room. We get a clean result of the 2 women sitting in a cozy room. However, we can notice that the facial consistency is not perfect. This happens because the image resolution is too low. One solution is to increase the resolution. There is another effective method. I changed the prompt to make it a close-up shot. By bringing the camera closer, the faces contain more detail. Now we can clearly see that the facial features match the input images much better. This is a very good result. The speed is very fast, and the results are impressive. Now I want to show you something interesting. I have 2 images. One is a woman wearing a jungle safari costume. The other is a woman wearing traditional Chinese attire. In the prompt, I type, put the image 2 attire on the girl in image 1. The costume is transferred correctly. This shows that the model understands references like image 1 and image 2. This is very useful for variable-based prompting and more advanced image editing workflows. Check this out. This is really interesting. I load 2 images of women, and in the prompt I define them clearly. Image 1 is Jenny, image 2 is Lisa. Then I describe the scene. Lisa and Jenny are sitting in a cafe. Lisa is holding a beer, drinking it and smiling. Jenny is pointing at Lisa and laughing. I also specify their outfits. Jenny is wearing a schoolgirl dress. Lisa is wearing a blue blazer. The model understands these role assignments and follows the prompt accurately. It almost feels like we're assigning variables, similar to programming. But that's not exactly how it works. The language model isn't executing variables. It's understanding context and relationships described in the prompt. It's largely thanks to the Qwen text encoder's strong contextual reasoning. At this point, we effectively have a smart prompt translator. That was fun exploring Flux 2 Klein. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. That's all for today. I'll provide the workflow download link below. If you liked the video, there's a like button down there. Take care.